examples of partial differential equation. This we will start just partial derivative. This example, very important example. If u is a function of x and y, that is x square plus y square divided by x plus y, then prove that del u by del x minus del u by del y whole square equals to 4 times 1 minus del u by del x minus del u by del y. So if u equals to x square plus y square divided by x plus y. So I want del u by del x and del u by del y both first respect to x. So partial differentiate with respect to x, del u by del x. Now respect to x, both are functions, function of x. X also here means quotient law. Okay, numerator denominator both contains x, that means quotient law apply. So quotient law we know x plus y whole square, this x plus y as it is, derivative of x square plus y square with respect to x, x square 2x, y square 0, with respect to x, y remains constant term derivative 0, minus x square plus y square now same, derivative of x plus y respect to x, respect to very important, respect to x is 1, y will be 0, plus form means separate constant term derivative 0. This simplify, this is 2x square plus 2xy minus x square and minus y square. So 2x minus x square plus 2xy minus y square divided by x plus y whole square. So this is respect to x. Now respect to y, del u by del y with respect to y. Again same problem, y also here means quotient law again. Okay, so x plus y whole square, x plus y same, derivative of x square y square respect to y now, x will be constant, so constant term derivative 0, y square will be 2y. Secondly, this same, derivative of x plus y, x now 0, y is 1, respect to very important, respect to y, x remains constant, separate constant term derivative 0, multiple then as it is. Okay, multiple then as it is. So this will be multiply 2xy 2y square minus x square and minus y square. So 2y square minus y square 2xy and minus x square upon x plus y whole square. Okay, so respect to x what? X here minus y square, respect to y here what? Y here, x square here. This is like 2. Okay, now we take proof. First of all, we take explain left hand side. Del u by del x minus del u by del y whole square. Okay, so this minus x square plus 2xy minus y square divided by x plus y whole square minus y square here and minus x square divided by x plus y whole square, and then totally whole square. So explain x plus y whole square common, this minus this, x square plus 2xy minus y square minus 2xy minus plus x square whole square. So x square and x square, 2x square, xy cancel, y square, 2y square, x plus y whole square, and again bracket whole square is there. So 2 is common, means 2 square is 4 outside. X minus y square, 2 factors are x minus y 1 factor, x plus y second factor, and x plus y whole square already whole square. So 1 factor cancel. So what is the answer? 4 into x minus y divided by x plus y whole square will be your left hand side. 4 times. Okay. Now right hand side, 4 times already. 1 minus del u by del x minus del u by del y. This is same as 1 minus n common, del u by del x plus del u by del y plus here minus subtraction. Continue 4 times 1 minus, now their addition, del u by del x square plus 2xy minus y square divided by x plus y whole square plus y square here now and x square here divided by x plus y whole square. Simplify 1 minus n, we first solve this bracket addition. So x plus y whole square LCM. Now here see x square plus 2xy minus y square plus y square plus twice xy minus x square, addition total. So what is here now? X square cancel, y square cancel. So 4 times 1 minus, what is the meaning? 2xy and 2xy, 4xy and x plus y whole square. So 4 times, now get LCM. Okay, x plus y whole square LCM. Now here expansion, x plus y whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy. 4 times. So x square plus y square, 2xy minus 4xy minus 2xy. X plus y whole square. So this is now, this is x minus y whole square and it is x plus y whole square. And whole square common, 4 times x minus y divided by x plus y whole square. Now see first result, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, all the same. This is LHS, sorry RHS. Already we have LHS this like, okay, same. So from 1 and 2, okay, LHS equals to RHS. So this is verified. Second, हे सुद्धा राईटचं बाकी नाही काय दरवाजे. Next, second example. If u equals to e raised to power x plus y plus z divided by e raised to power x plus e raised to power y plus e raised to power z, then show that ux plus uy plus uz equals to 2u. So u equals to e raised to power x plus y plus z divided by e raised to power x plus e raised to power y plus e raised to power z. This is like a function. Now if we directly differentiate, big problem. Okay, sometimes you have to simplify the function. Okay, if we differentiate, okay, the quotient law, e raised to power x, e raised to power y, e raised to power z whole square. Okay, so this is impossible to simplify. So technique. So taking log both side. Okay, if you take log, so we separate upon, so log of u, log of this means log of numerator minus log of denominator. Okay, so log of e raised to power x, this front side x plus y plus z, and log e this same, and log e is 1. So your function is now log of u equals to x plus y plus z minus log of e raised to power x plus e raised to power y plus e raised to. So this is now simplest function. Okay, so we first simplify the function. Okay, now we can apply. So first respect to x, partial differentiate with respect to x. So log of x, 1 by x log of x into, because respect to x we are differentiating, so del u by del x. U function of all three, x also y also del, so that's why not zero derivative. Log of x with respect to x not zero, because u is a function of x, y, z, all three. Log of u 1 by u into attach del u by del x. Respect to x, x is 1, y will be 0, z will be 0. Respect to x now two variables are constant, y, z. Log of x same 1 upon, first of all standard formula of mathematics. Log of x 1 by x. Okay, 1 by this into derivative of this with respect to x. Respect to x, e raised to power x, e raised to power x. This will be 0, this will be 0, because separate terms are separate term, constant term. Okay, so this is 1 minus e raised to power x upon this. Okay, respect to x, then this like respect to y, then partial differentiate with respect to y, then 1 upon u del u by del y. Now same, 1 is same, e raised to power x, e raised to power y. Now this same. Respect to z, then same, in place of x, y, z. So 1 by u del u by del z, 1 same, e raised to power z divided by e raised to power s, e raised to power y, e raised to power z. So first this second and this third, adding 1 to 3. Okay, so what you get, 1 upon u is common in the all the three. This is first is ux short symbol, second is uy, third is uz short symbol, Right side now 1 1 1 3 in the 3 term. Okay, this common e raised to power x, e raised to power y, e raised to power z is common. In the first e raised to power x, in the second e raised to power y, in the third e raised to power z is cancelled. So 3 minus 1 means 2. You multiply. So ux plus uy plus uz will be equals to 2u. Okay, so taking log, simplest form. Third, if u equals to determinant of x square, y square, z square, first row, x, y, z, second row, and 1 1 1 is a third row. Then question is, show that ux plus uy plus uz equals to 0. So u equals to determinant of x square, y square, z square, x, y, z, and 1 1 1. So I will take derivative. So expand. So x square into y into 1 y, z into 1 z, y minus z, minus y square into x into 1 x, z into 1 z, z square into x into 1 x and y into 1 y. This like your u function, not differentiate. So first with respect to x, then y. So del u by del x or ux short symbol. Respect to x, x square 2x, y will be y same, z same, multiple then same. Y is constant, z is constant. This constant term but multiple is there. Therefore, y minus as it is derivative x square is 2x. Respect to x now, y will be same, multiple term as it is. Derivative of bracket, x is 1, z is 0. Z square same, derivative of bracket respect to x is 1, y is 0. Respect very important. So this is 2xy minus 2xz minus y square and z square. So this is your ux. Now uy, del u by del y now. Respect to y now, x and z are constant. So first term, x is constant, multiple term, therefore as it is outside. So y is 1, z is 0. Respect to y now, y square to y, x is constant, z is constant, multiple, therefore constant term as it is. Third, z square same, derivative of x is 0, y is 1. So this will be x square minus twice xy minus plus twice yz minus z square. Now del u by del z, respect to z now. Respect to z now, x square constant, multiple term as it is. Y will be 0, z is 1. Respect to z, y square constant as it is. X is 0, z is 1, z square 2z, bracket is constant. So this is minus x square minus plus y square 2xz minus 2yz. Okay, so this like adding now. Adding. So ux plus uy plus uz, addition of all this two. So first twice xy, twice xz minus y square and z square. In the second, x square twice xy twice yz minus z square minus x square plus y square twice xz and 2yz. See, all cancel. 2xy, 2xy, 2xz, 2xz minus y square plus y square plus x square minus y square, z square, z square 2yz and 2yz all cancel and we get 0. Okay.